I finally tried the viral pipe cleaning set on my locks. Now listen, the struggle was real because I just knew as a hairstylist I would be able to roll these the proper way. And after watching many video tutorials on YouTube, I was like, I got this. It was a struggle. It was a struggle. At first, I was like, okay, how do I wrap these pipe cleaners? How do I wrap this on my hair? Some sections I had to rewrap over and over again. But I have to say that I finally got the technique down. And once I did, I was satisfied. Now, it didn't take as long as I thought it was going to take because I have very low density hair. However, it was still a process. I absolutely despise sitting under the dryer, so that took a little bit longer than I had anticipated. I wanted to dry as long as possible because I did not want to sleep with these things in my head. I don't see how some of y'all can walk around with these pipe cleaners in your head. So here we are unraveling the first curl, and I have to say I was excited. The curl pattern came out much better than I thought it would be. I knew it was going to be a tight curl, but I didn't think it was going to be this tight. I definitely say that I prefer this method over my bendy rods because this gives me that curl bounce that lasts at least 2 to 3 weeks.